Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Land Rover Defender versus Rolls Royce. We will explore their distinct purposes, performance capabilities, and interior designs. Understanding these fundamental differences will help you determine which vehicle better suits specific needs and preferences. Let's dive into what makes each of these iconic brands truly unique. When it comes to performance, the Defender is engineered for adventure, easily tackling challenging terrains with its robust suspension and advanced traction control. In contrast, a Rolls-Royce delivers an incredibly refined and serene driving experience, gliding effortlessly on highways with its powerful, yet whisper-quiet, engine. Their engineering philosophies are truly worlds apart. Inside, the Defender offers a functional and resilient cabin, built to withstand the elements in daily use, often featuring washable materials. A Rolls-Royce, however, presents an opulent sanctuary, meticulously crafted with premium leathers, fine wood veneers, and deep pile carpets. Every detail in a Rolls-Royce is designed for ultimate passenger comfort and exclusivity. Considering value, a Land Rover Defender offers robust capability at a more accessible price, making it a practical choice for many. A Rolls-Royce, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars, is an ultimate luxury statement with higher acquisition and maintenance expenses. Ultimately, the better vehicle depends entirely on your lifestyle, budget, and intended use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.